Hi guys! Naghahanap ka ba ng business na pwede mong umpisahan this 2025 na habang nagta-travel ka is pwede ka pa ding kumita. Ang kagandahan po dito, pwede mo siyang gawin kahit nasa bahay ka lang or kahit ikaw ay nagtatrabaho pa. And also, kahit cellphone lang po yung gamit natin, tablet, laptop, or kahit pwede na po. And you can start this business for less than 20,000 pesos na capital. So, yung binabanggit ko po is yung ating travel and tours business with Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. So imaginein mo, you can start your own online travel and tours business with Global Pinoy. Kaya guys, to know more about this business opportunity, you can message me on my inbox. So add nyo ako sa Facebook and message nyo ako sa Messenger para mag-guide and ma-assist kita, ma-explain ko sa iyo and ma-share yung beauty ng ganitong negosyo. So with that guys, see you on my inbox. God bless po and Happy New Year sa ating lahat.